A ray of hope can make a difference in anyone's life. Once please observe this place. Everywhere withered trees and dry leaves only. No greenery. Other than dry things, we can't get anything into our mind. No single hope of finding green things. Wait a second. Zoom your eyes. Wow, you can find the unexpected thing in this dry area. Beautiful flowers with green leaves. Feast to our eyes. That too in this dry area. It's like a single hope in an utmost hopeless condition. Wow, what a pleasant scene it is. The plant with its lovely flowers is like a ray of hope in the pessimistic condition even. Dry trees, dry leaves, dry area, except that flowers, no beauty. It's the most inspiring scene for us. After seeing the small plant in the dry area, I question myself. When a small plant can sustain in the dreadful condition, as human beings, why can't we overcome our problems? Really, can't we overcome our problems? I feel we should overcome our problems. We can learn a lesson from this small plant. Though we are in total miserable condition, we shouldn't lose our hope. We should remember one thing, that is, even in the utmost hopeless situation, with our confidence, we can find solution to our problem and finally we can achieve success. Never lose hope, whatever may be the situation. Be confident and be optimistic. Then we can reach our goal for sure. Nature is the best teacher to us forever. We must always be grateful to the nature.